Hello friends, I welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Akram Lashari at Pediatrics Department Bahawalpur. Through this channel, I bring two exclusive tips and tricks that will help you to pass MRCPCH exam in very first attempt. If you are planning to take MRCPCH exam, this video is must watch for you because in this video I will talk about the basic information that you must know before you start your MRCPCH exam. In this video, we will discuss how and when to apply for exam. Number 1. What is theory exam pattern? How you get your exam account? Number 3. Date of exam and application periods. Number 4. Start and end times. Number 5. Test delivery. Number 6. Examination fees. Number 7. What to do before exam day. Number 8. Withdrawing from your exam. Number 9. What to expect on exam day. Number 10. After your exam. Number 11. Contact us. Basically, whole exam pattern has three parts. First two parts are theoretical and third part is clinical. First two parts includes foundation of practice, theory and science, applied knowledge in practice, and clinical part has two papers. Your first step is to register for exam. Go to Royal College of Pediatrics and Child Health website. Once logged in, go to my account and follow the links to register for exam. Once registered, you can apply for an exam sitting during an application period. You will need to register for your exam account at least 10 working days before the application period opens. This table is showing the dates of exam and application period for 2023. Theoretical exams are usually taken thrice a year. Foundation of practice and theory and science usually taken during Feb, June and October, and applied knowledge and practice during January, May and September. Booking period ends in 2 months before exam. Start and end times of the theoretical exam. FOP and TAS are held on the same day. You can choose to apply to sit both examination on same day or apply to sit either FOP or TAS separately. Foundation of practice usually taken in the morning at 9:30 to 12 pm and theory and science in the afternoon 2 to 4:30 pm. Applied knowledge and practice consist of two papers taken on the same day. Paper 1 start at 9:30 to 12 pm and paper 2 2 to 4:30 pm. Times in other country usually vary from country to country. You can find more details on your admission document, which they will send you 4 weeks after the application period ends. To be clear, the overseas local start time for your examination will depend on the what time zone you are in. You must check what your local start time is prior to the examination. Candidates who log in late to their examination may not be able to start or complete their exam and will not be eligible for compensation. Test delivery. Theory exams take place in test centers across the UK and in other countries. Each test center has a fixed number of places. You have two options for taking the exam. Option 1 at a test center with social distancing. Option 2 at home or another private location with online invigilation. Applications are accepted on first come first serve basis and only before the closing date. Once an application is confirmed and paid, transfer between the test center or online invigilation are not possible. Theory exam in these countries are taken. Please note we may not run all test center in all countries at every examination sitting. Well, examination fees for the candidate of UK and Republic of Ireland for a single paper either FOP or TAS is €335 and for both paper €565 and for applied knowledge and practice you have to pay €565 and for overseas foundation of practice single paper €415, theory and TAS single paper €415 and for both paper €690 and for applied knowledge and practice you have to pay €795. Withdrawing from your examination. Any candidate who withdraws during the application window is entitled to 100% refund without providing a reason or evidence. We do not provide refund for withdrawals after application window has closed except in exceptional circumstances. If you believe you have a reason to receive a partial refund due to exceptional circumstances, please include evidence at the point of requesting a withdrawal. If for any reason you are not able to sit your examination, you will have up to 2 weeks to request a withdrawal after examination day. What to do before the exam day? Admission documents. They email you an admission document about 3 to 4 weeks before the exam day. You will need to bring or show one of the following form of identity: passport with photograph and signature, valid driving license with photograph and signature, national identity card with photograph and signature. Only original documents will be accepted. Practice with the sample papers to become familiar with the exam format and software. What to expect on the exam day? If you experience technical difficulties on the day, please seek the support of your invigilator. If you believe that any technical difficulty have adversely affected your performance in the examination, please see our complaint and appeal policy. After your exam, your result will be available about 6 to 7 weeks after your exam. If you are working in the UK, you may have up to 6 attempts to pass each of the exam for MRCPCH. If you fail to pass an exam after 6 attempts, you will need to provide us with the evidence of additional educational experience before being permitted to attempt that exam again. There are no restrictions on the number of attempts for DCH candidate or for candidates working permanently in other countries. Our next task is theory exam structure and syllabus, your exam result. You can contact the staff by email or phone each weekday. Emails and phone number is given here.